Hello everyone. The last video we had discussion about the pressures and pressure exerted by fluids. But in this video, we will discuss about the atmospheric pressures. We'll give you some examples of atmospheric pressures and the Otto von Guericke theory, right? And then DPT. So the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, the envelope of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The air has weight and it extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by this air is called atmospheric pressure. Calculation of atmospheric pressure. Consider and imagine a cylinder of air having unit base area and extending up to infinity. The weight of the air present in this cylinder is called atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is the direct result of the total weight of the air above the point per unit area at which the pressure is measured. Right. Now, I'll give you the examples of this atmospheric pressure. When you press the rubber sucker on a surface, most of the air between its cup and the surface escapes out and sucker sticks to the surface. This is because atmospheric pressure acts on it. So, it is very difficult to pull the sucker off from the surface. It shows that the magnitude of atmospheric pressure is very large. Right. Now, Otto von Guericke theory. Otto von Guericke, a German scientist of the 17th century, invented a pump to extract air out of vessel. With the help of this pump, he demonstrated dramatically the force of the air present. He joined two hollow metallic hemispheres of 51 centimeter diameter each and pumped air out of them. Then he employed 8 horses on each hemisphere to pull them apart. So great is the force of air pressure that the hemisphere could not be pulled apart. DPT, the first question is define atmospheric pressure. The second is why rubber sucker pressed on the surface sticks. Right. So do this DPT so that do the practice on that so that you will come to know what is atmospheric pressure. Right. Thanks a lot. Bye.